Hello, welcome to Quill and Chill Thursday Night Live. My name is Trupti More and I'm paper quilling artist. I hope you are doing well and I hope you enjoyed Mother's Day. So let's start. So this week, let me show what I did. I did two mementos for Seva DC chapter. So this is one and this is another one. So I made two of them. So this month they have two speakers, mom and daughter. So I made that these two mementos for them. So let me tell you about Seva. Seva is a non-profit organization. This organization is in all over USA. Right now I am in DC area. So we have our DC chapter, but they have various chapters across the USA, and they help community with various programs. One of the program is lead. It is for teens, so where teens makes groups and they study the actual problems and they try to solve those problems. And for those kids, monthly they Seva team invite some speakers so that they give some advice to teens. So for those guests, I make these mementos every month. So if you or your kids are looking to do some uh, volunteering, you can check the Seva organization, and they may have in your area. So don't forget to check that website, Seva organization. So let's now, if you have remember last week, I showed you how to make uh, outline for the cardinal. So this time I'm going to show you how to make how to fill that cardinal. If you haven't seen last week's video, let me share the link with you so that you can watch this video again and you can get the idea. So whatever I showed last week, it is for any kind of project. It's and whenever you want to do outline, you can use that method to do outline. It's called on edge filling. And let me just uh, remind you that for the on edge quilling, you should use little bit thick strip. It will be easy for you to do the outline with thick strips, and you can use any bit strips like 3 mm, 5 mm, 7 mm. It's up to you, but try to use thick strip. It will be easy. I usually use cardstock strip like 60 lb cardstock strips or 100 lb weight cardstock strips. If you don't have cardstocks, what you can do, you can just glue regular strips on top of each other and make them thick, and you can use them. Now, so let's start how we can fill that uh, cardinal. Let me add my another camera. So to fill this cardinal, I'm going to use combing technique. You can use that technique to any project that you are going to make it. So let me share my screen with you. So I fill up this cardinal a little bit because it will take long time to show how to fill whole cardinal. That's why I did some, I already did some and fill it up. So let's start. For this combing technique, what you need quilling comb and strips and glue. If you don't have quilling comb, you can use just your regular hair comb to do this. So let's take one strip. So if you see, I'm gonna strip like this and then bend it like this, and then I'm going to take this bigger part of strip like this. So this you are making loop, and then put glue and fold this strip like this. So if you see, we have one loop here. Hold it, hold this for some time so that it will get glued. Then what you have to do, so this is the big part like this. Then just a minute. Take this and wrap it around another next tooth like this here. And then flip it. And if you see carefully, you can bend this on other side. And so this is the first wrap. So you have to go around next pin here. Wrap this strip around the next pin like this and then flip it. Again, thing what we are gonna do, bend this, and we wrapped around this strip. Now we have to go to next pin and wrap around that like this, and then go to other side and then bend it. So like this, we have to wrap this strip around this pin or two. I know this is little bit tedious job and you may not get it first time, but if you see this video again and again, you can get this. And yes, it is little bit time taking. So like this, you can wrap it and at the end, just glue it like this. Hold it for some time. And then remove it. So this is looping technique with comb. Let me show you again. So take the comb, find around middle of the comb and put the strip like this on top and bend it. Then take bigger part from the bottom on the top and then put glue, hold it. Hold it for some time and then wrap this strip around next pin or tooth, flip it and go to other side and wrap around next tooth. So like this, we have to go to alternate side and do it. You can do it with full strip, half strip, quarter strip. It's up to you. You can decide, and depending on the space that you have to fill it up, you can decide which size strips you wanna use it. So this is with comb. You can do this without comb also. So just take the strip and then bend it, bend it like this and then glue it, put glue and make a loop like this. And then we are going to make another loop. This time it will be little bit bigger than previous loop, like this. And then this side also make a little bit bigger loop. So we are making little bit bigger loop than previous one. So if you feel this is easy for you, you can use this technique. You can use this without comb or with comb. It's up to you. Like this, you can glue and then glue the end. Now I already made some loops and I will show you how we can glue these loops. So body I already did. Now I'm gonna show how I am going to fill this feather. Let me adjust it. So just put glue. So this is just regular Elmer's glue. I poured that glue in fine tip glue bottle. For quilling, I feel this fine tip glue bottle is very useful. So if you want to do quilling, I will suggest you to use that fine tip bottle. So take one loop and just put it here. Another loop like this. You can put this loop and glue it. You can put as many as loops you want. If you want less loops, you can use this less loops, but I like to fill the whole area tightly. So I usually try to fill with a lot of loops, but it's up to you. And you can use tweezer to adjust these loops. It will be easy with tweezers. So if you see, if I press these, you will see a lot of space. You can fill more loops here. And now the space is getting smaller. So I made some small loops. I'm gonna use these small loops here. And you can use scissors. Here we go. Okay, I will use one small loop. I see some space here. You can see one small loop here. Okay. Yes. So our cardinal is ready. Let me show you. Let me stop sharing the screen. Close up. So here you go. If you see, you can see a lot of loops, more than 50 loops. And for the black part, I use small loops. And for the big, tiny loops. So like this, I filled up this cardinal and this cardinal is ready. Maybe I will draw the branch and legs with the marker, or maybe I will use watercolor to do it. Or if you want, you can just use actual small branch and glue it and just draw legs. You can add flowers, butterflies, anything that you want. Yeah, so our cardinal is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's live, and I hope you learned some new things today. And if you're making something with this technique, please don't forget to take picture and share with me. I would love to see your creations. And if you would like to learn something new that I know but you don't know, you can always contact me. You can um, send me message or write comment or send me email. If I know that, I will definitely teach you how to do that. And if you're doing quilling regularly, and if you are living in Virginia, we have one group that we quilling group. We meet every first Tuesday of every month, and we share our creations, talk about quilling. If someone new know some new thing, that they will share it. And if you also would like to join that group, please let me know. I will add you in that group. So, and one more thing. Next Tuesday, my daughter has music, her performance at school. So I will not be able to do live next Thursday. I will meet you after that. So till next time, just keep quilling. Bye.